pistachios, macadamians, almonds, cashews, pecans, walnuts, peanuts. Wait, peanuts? Are they really nuts? I thought they were plants. I don't know. You know what? They're actually a legume. Are you nuts about nuts? I know. I'll be here all week with my great jokes. I'm a fanatic about nuts as a snack, as part of a yummy, delicious food. I love adding nuts as much as I can. That yummy crunch, the taste, I'm a peanut fanatic even. And any way you shell them, nuts are a fantastic food. Howdy y'all, Dr. Islam here, AKA your gut health guru, trying to give you the best tips and tricks so you can live your best life from the top all the way down to the bottom. Now, nuts and seeds are a staple of a healthy diet. But have you ever wondered how it actually can affect your guts and allow you to have a better gut microbiome? Or how much is too much when it comes to nuts? So in today's video, we're going to go over the benefits of nuts galore. Yes, my favorite food. I'm going to share the health benefits of nuts. And number 4, may make you go nutty as well. Guys, let's talk about poop. So nuts and seeds are actually part of a healthy diet. But what exactly are they? Technically, nuts are seed kernels. On a plant, they have that hard protective shell, and when you break open that shell, that is where that delicious nut is stored. Now, nuts are both high in calories and high in fat as well. But don't let that worry you, because nuts have a lot of other benefits, including different vitamins, including vitamin E, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, selenium. They have a lot of fiber and a lot of other antioxidants in them as well. And they're a great source of a healthy fiber and also healthy fat for your GI tract. But wait! What about diverticulitis? Oh my gosh, the big bugaboo when it comes to nuts and diverticulitis or diverticulosis. Have you heard about, if you take too many nuts, if you eat nuts or seeds, it's going to make your diverticulosis or diverticulitis worse? Comment down below if you've heard this before. What is the truth behind that? Well, here's what you need to know. Trust me, I'm your poop guru, guys. This is what I tell you to do. People have asked me forever about the risk of having nuts or seeds when they have diverticulosis or diverticulitis. Here's what you need to know. There are no risks, none whatsoever. There are no risks if you take nuts and seeds or popcorns or anything else when it comes to having diverticulosis or diverticulitis. In fact, nuts are a great staple of gut health. So don't worry about it. In fact, here are 4 great benefits of having nuts and 2 additional precautions I need you to know. Number 1, nuts are high in fiber. Now, fiber is the backbone for gut health. You need that foundation, because without that foundation, whatever you're gonna build on top of that is going to crumble down, and nuts are a fantastic source of fiber. For women, you need at least 25 grams of fiber, and for men, you need at least 35 to 40 grams of fiber. And nuts are a very simple, easy, and delicious way of getting that fiber that you need to have that foundation for an optimal gut microbiome. And number 2, like I just mentioned, nuts help feed the good guys inside your gut. That fiber are prebiotics, and nuts are a prebiotic food. Prebiotic foods help to give nutrients to the good guys already inside your gut. It gives them the strength, the muscle, the pizzazz to do what they need to do and to enhance their function. And nuts are a fantastic source of a prebiotic food like fiber to give them the strength they need to do their job correct. Studies have shown that people who have 2 handfuls of almonds for about 6 weeks will greatly improve their gut microbiome by doing that. Number 3, nuts help maintain a healthy weight. When nuts are digested by your gut microbiome, it produces short-chain fatty acids. And these short-chain fatty acids help to regulate the hormones that are influencing weight gain and weight loss. Number 4, nuts may help lower cholesterol and triglycerides. So pistachios, for example, have been shown to lower triglycerides in diabetics by almost as much as 33%, 1/3, that's crazy, by having just a handful of pistachios on a consistent basis. Finally, 2 cautions when you have nuts. Number 1, eat in moderation. Nuts are high in nutrients and are good for you as well, but they also pack a lot of calories in that small package. And it's so easy to really overeat and not realize that. Have them, enjoy them, but have them in moderation. Number 2, eat them natural. It's not nuts. Cover it with chocolate and syrup and ice cream and candy. No, 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 no. Have them natural without all that other stuff. You're gonna get the benefit without the side effects of all that sugar. So here's my call of action for you today. Start to incorporate nuts in your food. It is such a delicious way to start off your week. Maybe a handful, added to some food, do it on a consistent basis, get all the benefits of eating this wonder food for your body. Guys, well, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to smash that like button. Like, share, and subscribe so you can get great videos like this one and get more tips and tricks so you can learn on what you can do to help out with your gut health. Hey, my question today for you, have you tried adding nuts? Have you found a benefit? Do you like them? Let me know in the comments down below. Well, thank you for watching, and don't forget, let's talk about poop. Thanks, everyone.